Kelley Blue Book is the premier provider of vehicle values to the industry marketplace today. Netezza allows us to decrease our valuation cycle times by allowing us to actually process our forecast models within a day as opposed to between 3 and 4 days historically. What this enables us to do is to actually produce vehicle values for the marketplace that we can deliver in a near real-time environment instead of waiting up to 2 weeks to actually push those values out to kvv.com.
Netezza is one of the best investments we have made for our infrastructure, for our databases, and it has delivered on what they said it was going to do. It has enabled us to bring in data quicker than ever before and to be able to manipulate it and attach on our business tools for making decisions.
Right now, advertising is a primary source of revenue for Kelley Blue Book, and our ability to do analysis on that data has been really reduced by the inability of our current solutions to scale. So with the Netezza device, we're able to actually do a lot more analysis, a lot deeper analysis on our DART ad impression and click data that's enabled us to actually find additional ways to generate more revenue from our website using existing data that we already have today. We're also using SQL Server integration services as well as MicroStrategy on the front end, and then we're also using SAS to do a lot of our forecasting and statistical regression models.
Netezza has allowed us to do some analytics that we could never do before. To be able to bring in multiple data sources into one location and to run queries that at times never completed or ran for hours. When we installed Netezza, we were able to run these same queries in minutes and sometimes seconds, thereby allowing us to make decisions for our business and identify key factors to be able to move forward on a decision.
So Netezza helps us increase ad revenues and optimize our spend by allowing us to access over 6 terabytes of DART data that we couldn't really access before. And the ability for our analysts to get at that data and understand what's happening on the site on a daily basis enables us to actually produce reporting and analytics so we can optimize that spend. In our industry, there's actually a penalty for under-delivering. And what access to this data has enabled us to do with the Netezza box is it actually enables us to optimize that SEM spend so that we actually reduce the amount of penalties that are out there for us if we under-deliver for a certain account.
It's much easier to maintain, it's easier to load data, it's easier to do analytics, and it's also enables some of the business intelligence tools so that we're able to move quicker when we're trying to add new columns to our data or new attributes.
Our overall experience working with Netezza has been great. I would actually categorize it as a true partnership instead of just a standard vendor relationship.
Netezza is one of the best partners that I have ever worked with. They're very supportive. From the time they brought the box in, and I should say even before that, they delivered to what they said they were going to do, and they put in whatever time and effort was needed to get us up and running, and then they stayed after to make sure that we could still do special things with the data, and also making sure the team understood how to utilize the box.
Kelley Blue Book is striving to be an analytical powerhouse in the automotive industry, and Netezza enables us to do that.